My name is Leslie Hooton, and I'm the author of The Secret of Rainy Days. It is about friendship, funeral casseroles, and lucky dust. It is set in a small southern town of Erob, Alabama, which is Boer spelled backwards. It is about these three childhood friends, Bet, Avery, and Women. And when she does. At anything, at everything, her whole damn life. I can't relate. But it's also about Avery, who Bet meets on the saddest day of her life, and she becomes the friend of Bet's heart. Bet just hopes she never has to choose between them. It is, at its core, a meditation on memory and the word home and what they mean to us. But it also asks the question, where is your lucky dust?